Today I am going to discuss the 43rd question of database management system. Let's see the question. Here's the question set 43 and here's the question. And here the scenario is there are 5 engineers who develop the database of a software company. You are one of those 5 engineers. The company you work for has been assigned to create software and you have entrusted the team to create a database of that software. The software uses the product brand table to store product information in the database. Use this table to answer the following question. So in this scenario, we are going to create the database, and here are the tables which we used to create that database. So in this question set, in the question set number 43, we have to answer those 3 questions by using those 2 tables. So the first one is the product table, and in this product table there are 9 products, and here's the brand table. In the brand table there are 3 brands. So these are the 2 tables we are going to use to discuss these 3 questions. So here we have to write relational algebra query. So to write relational algebra query, we don't have a special software to run those queries. So because of that, I'm going to use PowerPoint slide. So let's see. Here's the question number 1 of question set 43. In this part, we have to create the relational algebra query needed to find the Choc Shock biscuit on the product table of the database. So in this first question, we have to find the Choc Shock product. So in the question, they have given 2 tables, product table and the brand table. In the first question, we have to find the product with the name Choc Shock. For that, we can use this selection operator. So you can see this is the sigma, the letter sigma. By using this letter, we can get a selection. That means by using this operator, that means we are going to select something. So we are going to select the product name, where the product name equal to Choc Shock from the relation, that means the table product. So here's the answer for the first question. Here's the second question. In the second question, search for product details under the brand name Hawain Cookies and product Munchee. Create the required relational algebra query. So in the second question, we have to get the details under the brand name Hawain Cookies and the product is Munchee. So in the question, we can use the brand ID as 2. In this question also, in the second question also, we have to get a selection. That means we have to select the brand ID equals 2 and the product name equals Munchee. So product equal Hawain Cookies and the brand ID equals 2. So that's the selection in this second question. For that, we can use the letter sigma. So you can see here I have used the operator, selection operator, and here is the condition. In the condition, I have mentioned that the product name should equal to Hawain Cookies and the product ID should equal to the 2. So we have to select those 2 from the product table. So here's the answer for the second question. Here's the third question. In the third question, SQL query is designed by other members of your team to suit their needs. Write the relational algebra query to the created query. So in the third question, they have given us SQL query and we have to write the relevant algebra query. So let's see. So here's the first part. In the first part, so here's the SQL query. Select product name from product. So in this part, we can use the projection operator to select the product name from the product table. So you can see by using the letter pi, by using this letter pi, that means we are using the projection operator. By using this operator, we can select the product name from the product table. So here's the answer for the first part. Here's the second question. In the second question, this is the second SQL query. In that, select product name from product where brand ID equals to. So here's the second question. In that question, first we have to get the so in the second part, we have to get the brand ID. For that we have to use the selection. First we have to select the brand ID products which equal to the brand ID 2. So here's the answer. First we have to select the brand ID products with the brand ID equals to. From that we can get the product name. So first of all, I have used the selection operator by selecting the products with brand ID 2. I have used the projection operator to get the product names corresponding to the brand ID 2. So here's the answer for the second part of the third question. So today I have discussed the question set 43. So thank you everyone for listening.